Hi guys, hope you are all doing great. My name is Zainab Nasser. So you're welcome to my channel, the channel where I review digital products which will help you make money online. So the product I have for you today is called MonsterMode Rise of the Cash Breeders 2.0. So before we get started, I will be showing you the sales page, and then I will be showing you the front end of MonsterMode, and then I will be showing you the bonus bundle. The bonus bundle I have left for the end of this video because I want you to understand the product and then the bonuses, so you understand the worth of the bonuses. So let's get started. Okay, so let's get started with understanding the product first. What does it offers you, and how the system works. So Monster Mode is basically a brand new product. It comes with 5 latest six-figure evergreen Warrior Plus offers built into an ingenious 5-tier viral funnel that replicates in one literal click. So everything is done for you. All you have to do is get your links to the 5 products they have shared, the offers of a Warrior Plus they have shared in their product Monster Mode. So you must be wondering, what are tiers? What does they mean? So here is the answer. What it means is that as so basically it's a front end users will replicate and invite others into their new cash breeding funnel, they named it as. They will quite literally be making autopilot commissions on tier 2 to 5. So basically they will be getting tier 1, and then once they get this product, they will use that link, and they will collect people under their wings. So from tier 2 to 5, they will be earning straight away $100 on each tier. So I will be explaining further about the tiers when I get into the demonstration of the product. So now let me tell you about the prices and the upsells, then I will take you to the sales page. So basically the front end of Monster Mode 2.0 will cost you $17. If you invest this money, you will definitely make this money back. So $17 is not a huge amount to try out this software that will definitely help you make money. So you will be getting access to the software and the training modules for the Monster Mode. Then there is Upsell 1, which is six-figure monster merger for $397, and the downsell is for $197. So basically, they call this merger because it enables end users to essentially merge their online business in their own. So that's because we are enabling them to unlock 100% commissions on all 5 of their Warrior Plus offers, which are built into the software. Then in one letter click, they will go from making the default commissions on our latest full funnel 6 figures offers across the entire funnel of each. Okay. Then there is Upsell 2, which is called Autopilot Traffic Pool for $97, and the downsell for $67. So this instant upgrade unlocks true autopilot traffic. So without traffic, you will not be able to succeed in any business. So guaranteed visitors are delivered 24/7 into the user's cash breeding funnels. So basically, you will be presented with 5 great offers, 5 funnels that will convert definitely convert people and make you sales. Okay, then comes the third upsell, push button leads. So you will be getting this for $67 and the downsell is $37. This upgrade instantly unlocks users viral cash breeding funnels for leads on top of commissions, meaning they can get paid to build their lists as visitors are sent into their funnel. So you will be able to build your lists as well. Takers of this too will also get an auto compiled downloadable email list. So you will be getting an email list as well as you will able to build your own email list as well. Okay, then there is fourth upsell, back end commission stuffer for $47 and the downsell is $27. No funnel would be complete. So with no, not even the 5-tier wire cache breeding funnel without a backend. So you need a backend. So with this, you will be able to unlock the backend commission payouts of $300 to $400, a pop on a built-in auto webinar integrated into the MonsterMode system. Then there is Upsell 5x commissions booster for $197, downsell for $97. Per the front-end description, user funnels are set up to pay out across 5 tiers. This means all direct referrals pay out commissions to the end user on the first tier product only, since the other 4 tier slots are filled by other users. However, this instant upgrade unlocks commissions on all 5 products right off the bat for all direct referrals into an end user's own funnel. So that's how these tiers work and the upsells are. So this is the sales page. As you can see, it comes with a lot of videos explaining you about this product, why you should be preferring this product. So it is very easy to understand and I really like the theme. And here are the key features, that it 100% includes commission of up to $954 per lead. Then includes all new fully hosted MonsterMode 2.0 cash breeding funnels built upon our exclusive 5-tier system. Clone our scalable income of up to $20K plus per month. Okay. Killer home-based system supplements the internet lifestyle. Okay, you can see the proofs as well, the payment proofs. $97, $197. They have shared all the proofs here of that the system is working. By the way, this product is launching on 29th of September at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And Brian Winter is the vendor of this product. So it's the basically 1, 2, 3 3-click system. So now let me take you to the MonsterMode. This is the front end, as you can see. It's very simple and easy to understand. There is a demonstration video first, how you can get started. Everything is explained in detail in this one video. So it's a 31-minute video, but it explains everything and tells you about the tier system as well. So there will be base referrals. This is your MonsterMode link. So basically you get this link, and here are the autopilot traffic pool. So basically either you can you're inviting people to sign up for this product for free. So people will you can invite people using the email ads, invite them via Facebook, Twitter, Either you want to display ads, Instagram or YouTube. So, or whatever, whichever method you like, you can use, but you will have to invite people so that you can be the boss. Then the tiers come into play. So your cache plugins basically. So what you do is, these are the 5 funnels. Meme is the first one. You will have to get it first. These two, you will have to first activate it and then link it. So all these are linked, but if at first you will have to activate them, and these 2 buttons will be red. So you will activate them, and after activating, then you will have to link it. So everything will be explained. It is not difficult. You will have to get your Warrior Plus link, and then you will go to Warrior Plus and you will apply for the affiliate link. So let me open this. You will apply for this product affiliate link. Once you get the approval of the affiliate link, you paste that link here, and then that's how you get linked to this software. So then you will be able to get access to the funnel that has been created for this product. So that is tier 1. Okay, then there are other tiers. You need at least 2 if you don't want to get into 5 tiers at once. So get these 2 plugins first and start making money with this, and then you get these. So this is how this works, and there will be free bonuses for you. It is super simple. There are no hard work in it. Now let me take you to the bonus page and explain you can also get access to the the demo video on the bonus page as well. So you can click here and secure the copy of this product and the bonuses, which I will explain you. And also, if you get the product via the link which I will mention in the description, then you will be able to get your hands on these bonuses as well. So let me tell you about the bonus one, which is a software. So you will be getting access to Nova and all the upsells of Nova for the first 12 hours only after the launch of the product, which will be happening on 29th of September. So this Nova is an extension which you will install in your Chrome, and then you will be able to harness the power of TikTok. So basically you will get traffic from a TikTok. So you know how popular TikTok is and how people are going crazy over TikTok. So once you get that traffic, so you will be able to definitely get people under your tiers, in your tiers. So you can simply easily convince them to sign up. Then there is bonus 2, which you will be getting. That is 40 high quality lead magnets to build your
Okay, so this bonus is again very important because list building is very important if you want to make sales. Then there is bonus 3, which is called 3 ways to get traffic to your gigs. So basically you will be taught how you can get traffic to whatever gigs you're presenting, whatever offers you're presenting to the people so that they convert. Okay, then there will be a 4th bonus, which is called the online entrepreneur. So basically you'll be able to access this bonus as well. And then there will be 5th bonus, which will be all vendor bonuses. Will be special bonuses for you. If you take action today, you will be able to get your hands on it. So now let me take you to the top of this bonus page. Let me tell you this first. So you will be getting these bonuses till the 2nd of October. So this bonus page comes down on 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So make sure you get your hands on this product and the bonuses before this bonus page expires. So it will expire in 4 days. So thank you so much for watching the review video. That's all I have to say about this product. Yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then subscribe so that I can share more products that will help you make money online.